Welcome to Art Hub. Hello little artists, let's draw rainbow star. I like to draw and color. If you like to draw, please draw with me. Small triangles, and then we will join them. Now it's time to join them. Our star is complete. Let's make it more neat and prominent. Here comes the fun part, coloring. Let's use rainbow colors. Red color, red color, orange color. Good job! Yellow color. We are using rainbow colors. Do you like rainbow colors? This is yellow color. Light green color. It's time to use light blue color. I'm using light blue color. Pink color. Our cute little rainbow star is ready. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.